Here we have a 2001 Volkswagen Jetta. It has a 1.8 liter turbo engine, and if you're having an issue, a misfire, something like that, and it just happened overnight, a lot of times it can be traced down to these coil packs. Each coil pack represents a cylinder, 4 cylinders. To remove this, takes a little, it's actually a 5mm Allen wrench. You can take both of these off. Once these two are off, you can remove either way. You can remove the plug here, and once that connection's taken off, you can actually pull up the whole thing. This goes directly onto the top of the spark plug. It kind of creates a seal in there too, so if your valve cover is leaking, you won't really notice it until you try to pull that out, and you'll see it's drenched in oil. There's a little kind of O-ring part of the gasket that runs between all of them, and it crimps the metal, so there shouldn't be any oil getting in here. But if you do see oil, try not to worry too much. It's not too difficult of a fix, but also the car will still run with a new coil pack even if you don't replace that valve cover gasket. So if you have any questions, post below. Like I mentioned before, a 5mm Allen wrench, and you'll be able to remove that coil pack and change it out with a new one. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.